महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे हांणी बेरेस्तारा उत्तर आणि दक्षिण गोय कलेक्टराच्या अधिकाऱ्यां वांगडा बसका घेतली. लोकांक कमीत वेळात सगळ्यो सुविधा उपलब्ध जावच्यो ह्या खातीर ही बसका आपयल्ली म्हूण महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर परवरेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
It's 1 year down. After reviews, I think Collector North, Collector South have been having continuous reviews with the Deputy Collectors and the Mamlatdars. With me coming up with simplification of procedures, right to time bound in services, especially सर्वसामान्य मनशाक जी सर्विस मेळपा जाय लोकांक ती from mutation, partition, conversion relates 3 more departments, but mutation partition relates to our department directly. आणि तुज्यो बाकीच्यो डिस्ट्रिक्ट सर्विसीस लायक रेजिडेंशियल डायवर्जन त्यो सर्टिफिकेट प्रोसेस ज्यो मनशाक जाय पडटा दिसा खातीर ऑनलायन प्रोसिजर्स करून डिस्ट्रिक्ट करून व्यू ऑफ वॉट इज द स्टेटस देन टेनन्सी केसीस हॅविंग कम वी नीड टू एक्सपर्टाइट द प्रोसिजर्स फॉर मूविंग दीस केसीस अहेड. माय मुणकारियल केसीस विच आर मोर देन 3 years why they are stagnating. A review basically on the whole revenue department taluka wise has been constituted today to understand the difficulties they face. At the same time, they need to be accountable to the public by getting things in the right way. At the regularization of illegal structures, we are talking about extending the date, but we need to also expedite on the number of pending issues which are there for quite long. CRZ violations, feelings have been on the rise. So whether the talatis are accountable or no, because you have to fix responsibility with respect to talatis. कित्याक हे आता लास्ट 2-3 महिने खुबशे वाट दिश्टी पडटा जे सगळे असले गजाली जावंक लागल्या आनी ताच्या खातीर जे अनऑथोरायज्ड इलिगल जे चल्लां थंय एक्शन जावचें नाल्यार तांची अकाउंटेबिलिटी फिक्स करची ताच्या खातीर सर्टन थिंग्स हॅव गॉन अहेड वीच वी एक्सपेक्ट रिजल्ट्स टू कम. वी हॅव आस्क्ड द डेप्युटी कलेक्टर्स इन द नेक्स्ट वीक टू कम विथ द report on regularization status, issues if they are facing any, and we need to start expediting those cases. Similarly, in terms of your CRZ violations, hill cuttings, we have asked them that talatis ille kabbar jaun bosल्या. So I think talatis roles which are there need to be identified, need to be told that they are doing this, and irrespectively we need to understand that if the revenue department and the government, revenue department becomes the main shell for or the backbone of any governance. आणि हे दिता आसतना आमकां सर्वसामान्य मनशाक बरी डिलिव्हरी दिवची, IT प्लॅटफॉर्म बरे आसचे, कनेक्टिविटी सगळी आसची, आणि 1 वर्सान परफॉर्मन्स कितें आसा ते पूर्ण रिव्यू करपाक आज नॉर्थ आणि साउथ गोवा कलेक्टरा कडेन रिव्यू घेतिल्ले आसा. वी एक्सपेक्ट रिजल्ट्स टू कम इन द कपल ऑफ डेज अहेड. Plans need to be shared by the respective talukas, and whatever initiative this government has taken in terms of Khazan lands, tenant associations, which earlier accountability was never to be seen, we have asked accountability today. So whether it's a Khazan Ban safety report, rest of the things, we have been asking them to ensure that these things are coming to us.